guys, what's up? This is Surbhi and welcome back to my channel, and I really hope that you all are doing so well. And guys, if you don't know, let me tell you, I'm going to do a 30 days challenge, like hashtag 30 days challenge, in which let me tell you what's that. I'm gonna post 30 videos in 30 days, like it is going to be start from today, like today is 1st of October, so basically it is going to be start from today and it will go till 30th of October. So yeah, here I am with my first ever challenge video. So guys, as you have already read by the title, that I'm gonna do a step-by-step makeup tutorial, and if you are beginner and watching my video, especially for girls, this video is going to be very helpful. And I think I have said enough and we should just start with the video. I'm gonna use this hairband. So firstly, I'm gonna clean my face. You can use anything to clean your face. You can use face wash, you can use wet wipes, you can use any cleansing water, you can use anything जो आप रेगुलर बेसिस पे अपने फेस को क्लीन करने के लिए यूज़ करते हो, ठीक है, बेसिकली वो सब. सो आई एम गोना यूज दिस जॉनसन बेबी का वेट वाइप का. मैं आई एम गोना डू दिस, या जस्ट आई एम टेकिंग अ हाफ ऑफ दिस, तो सारा वेस्ट नहीं होगा. सो नेक्स्ट I'm gonna apply moisturizer. Guys, if you're doing makeup, you need to prep your skin properly. Prepping your skin is so important if you are doing base makeup. So this is very important step, prepping your skin. Okay, first clean your face, second prepping your skin. So next I'm gonna prep my skin properly, and for prepping my skin I'm gonna use this moisturizer, and this is from the brand OC Glow. This product is so freaking amazing, like the fragrance is wow. So I'm just gonna apply it. You can see it's so watery, and the best thing is it's for all skin type. So I'm just applying it on my face and give my skin a little massage. Today I'll do my base makeup first, then I'll do my eye makeup, and let's just start with my base makeup. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply this Maybelline Fit Me ka. Let me show you properly. Here it is, the Maybelline Fit Me ka foundation. This is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So yeah, this is what I generally use like on daily basis on my face if I'm going somewhere. I'm just gonna apply this foundation on my face, and I am thinking कि मुझे ना ऐसा चिट चैट वाली वीडियो भी बनानी चाहिए, बिकॉज मेरे को लग रहा है अभी मैं चैनल पे बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो गई हूँ और मैं बहुत बातें करने लगी हूँ. सो आई थिंक आई शुड मेक चिट चैट एंड गेट रेडी विद मी वीडियो. सो यू कैन सी मैंने जस्ट पम्प करा एंड सब अपने फेस पे लगा लिया. अभी मैं एक ये लूँगी फाउंडेशन ब्रश. So you can use your fingers to blend all this foundation on your face, and yeah, I think I should use my fingers because it's a beginner makeup, so I'm trying to use minimal products, minimal stuff on my face, so I think it's better to use my fingers to blend this foundation. Want to buy brush foundation के लिए, तो you can buy this Pro Art का brush, foundation brush. It looks like this. You can buy this brush, and yeah, this is such a good brush if you are looking for. You can definitely buy this one, guys. And you can see I have applied the foundation. So guys, I've applied the foundation. Next I'm gonna apply LA Girl का concealer. बहुत अच्छा concealer है. If you are looking for good concealer, you must buy this one, and you can also buy a Maybelline के concealers. They are also amazing, but I personally love this one. So yeah, you can see. So guys, now I'm gonna apply this on underneath of my eyes. Let me tell you the shade name. It's Skinny Base, and I'm just going to apply it here. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लगाऊंगी, like that's it. And I don't think there's need to apply बहुत सारा concealer मतलब face पे. So that's it. I think this is enough, and I'm just using this middle finger and also I'm going to apply concealer on my lid area. इसी concealer को मैं lid area पे भी लगा लूँगी. You know, eye makeup के लिए अच्छे से बेस मिल जाएगा. And yeah, मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया because मुझे eye makeup भी बहुत minimal सा करना है. So that's the reason. I don't want a full coverage कहीं पर भी. So guys, I have applied concealer on the eyelid area and underneath of my eye. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me ka compact powder in the shade again 230 Natural Buff, and I'm using this small fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply it on my firstly on lid area. I'm gonna use this palette. It's a kind of 3-in-1 palette. Like it has, you know, bronze, blush and highlight also, and you can see it's from the brand Benefit. I'm again taking this small fluffy brush for contour, and I'm taking this contour wala shade, and I'm just gonna dust it off कि extra product निकल जाए. Just need to do a pout like this, then you can see the line. आपको यहाँ तक इस पार्ट में ही contour करना है, okay? So I'm just doing it. So yeah, just do it like this. You can see contour my chin area. I'm gonna contour my nose. And forehead. Next, I'm gonna apply blusher from the same palette and dust it off. See, the blush looks so nice. So next I'm gonna apply highlighter from the same palette, dust it off. जितना भी extra product है, you can see सारा extra product निकल रहा है. And see, it looks so natural. And yeah, you just need to apply a highlighter like here on like cheeks के ऊपर जहाँ पे अपने blusher लगाया उसके यहाँ पे, and forehead पे, and you know cupid bones पे and chin area पे. Next I'm gonna do my eye makeup. For that I'm gonna use this Jaclyn Hill palette. This is one of my favorite palette, like because it has all colors you need, like neutral tones and you know some pop-up colors and you know some bright shades. All colors are so freaking good. So I'm taking a you know transition shade for my crease area, तो मैं भी सबसे lighter shade लूँगी. I am taking this shade. So I'm gonna take this shade and dust it off. And guys, if you are a beginner, you need to do a lot of practice on your blending. If your blending is good, your makeup comes out really you know flawless. Next I'm taking this dark brown kind of maroonish shade and इसको मैं थोड़ा सा नीचे वाले पार्ट में करूँगी. Like this. I'm doing the same with the other eye. Nextly I'm gonna apply kajal and just gonna apply it on you know इसको अपने जहाँ पे मैंने लाइनर लगाना था उसकी उसी जगह पे इसको I'm using as a liner. And next I'm taking this you know angular brush and I'm just gonna blend it to give it a you know smudge look. I'm gonna use the same kajal on my waterline. Guys, next I'm gonna do my brows and for that I'm gonna use the same palette. Brows के लिए अगर आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है तो you can simply use you know anything in brown color. Like you can use any brown shade of you know eye palette का कोई भी brown dark brown shade you can use. And yeah, I'm just gonna use this one, this brown shade you can see. I'm gonna apply lipstick and I'm using here a liquid lipstick from Sugar Brand. I'm gonna apply mascara and I'm gonna use this Maybelline का Push Up Drama mascara. Lastly, I'm gonna apply MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus and let's just end this video. As usual, जो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, guys, do like, share my video if you really like it, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.